Here is my 3D foundation. In real time, this took less than 5 minutes. I'm applying my contour around my hairline, around the outer parts of my face, down my nose, and a little bit under my lip. And now I'm going to take my brightening shade. I like to put this kind of down the center of my face and then inner and outer corners of my eyes. And a little pop right under my cheekbone there. Now all the empty spaces, I'm pretty much just going to kind of dab into my main foundation color and put that all over, just in between. And then I always put this on the darkest spot under my eye, because when you're covering darkness, you should use the same darkness. This is bronzer, high points of the face, little dot on my chin to tie it all in, and then my blush color, lip and cheek, put it on my lips too. Setting spray, you can spray this on right now, and then blend, blend, blend. I had to take a second and just admire how pretty it was after I blended that side. Gosh, I love this makeup. All right, let's blend the rest. I like to start with my lighter color and then I go into the darker. It doesn't really matter though. That's it, all done, beautiful, flawless, ready to get your all-in-one palette. Message me.